I decided to shoot a day in my life, and look at this. It's all cloudy and it might rain as well. Good morning everyone. It's 7:40 in the morning. I woke up at 7. I just got ready. Talking about that. So I just got ready and it's just time to get some breakfast, and we need to leave by like 8:30 at max so that we can reach our workplace by 10. It's gonna be a really hectic day today because I'm shooting this day in my life, and then at my workplace I have to shoot 2 videos and most probably start editing those. It's gonna be a lot of fun, really productive day, so let's get it. All ready to go. Just gonna put the camera in the bag. As you can see, it's a pretty cloudy day, and I left early today so that I could shoot this video properly. Generally I leave around like 8:30, but it's like 8:10 right now, and yeah, the bus is in 5 minutes. I technically have to change a lot of transit because my workplace is really far. So yeah, so I've been working as like a content producer for a very big YouTube channel. So we're gonna reach the studio and we have 2 videos to shoot today. One is for a laptop and then one is for like a gaming handheld, which is on the to-do list today. So that's what we're gonna do today. I've finally reached my workplace and it's time to start working. It's gonna be a long day and I'll show you what I do for a living. Alright guys, we have reached our workplace. Specifically looking at the surroundings, you might know where I am. Pretty orange, right? Today we're gonna shoot 2 videos. I can't really tell you what the product is, but it's a laptop and then it's a gaming handheld.
Secret stuff.
Look who is here.
What up?
Carl, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling pumped. I wish I could share what we're shooting, but you know, that NDA life.
Okay, so before I came in, Carl already shot one unboxing video for a shot, which I am just gonna edit right now, and then we gotta shoot some B-roll for the laptop since we are done with the A-roll part of it, and I have to shortlist and see what all shots I have to get. So let's just quickly pump out that edit, get that shot up and going, and then shoot the B-roll. Okay, so that's my editing station right now. I'm using a M2 MacBook Pro and we're using Final Cut to edit everything. It handles all the 4K 10-bit footage from the A7S III and the A7R5. Very good. Let's pump out that edit. Just crushed out that edit and now it's time to get that B-roll for the laptop. Let's get it. So the B-roll cam that we're shooting with is an A7S III with a 24-105 f4. This gives me pretty much good range to get variety of shots, and then most probably I can switch this over on a slider to get some slider shots as well. Hey guys, this is Carl. Welcome back to my video. The lighting here should look really good because this is a proper studio instead of the house like mine. That's the setup for one shot. Pretty long day of the shoot, just offloading all the footage now, and then we're pretty much done for the day. I'm gonna leave, most probably get something to eat because I'm hungry AF. After I was done with my work, it was raining like really heavily, so Carl decided to drop me off at a Subway. A huge thanks to him first of all. I didn't get my umbrella today because I didn't plan that it's gonna rain so freaking heavy. We're at Ossington Subway station. I'm gonna go eat something most probably, and afterwards we'll go home because it's been a long freaking day. It was pouring so heavily and now it's freaking sunny outside. You can never expect what goes on with the weather. guys, so I am done eating the food. It was actually a lot, so I kind of just packed it up for my dinner. Now the main goal is to get home and then sleep, because we gotta do the same thing over and over again tomorrow. So we're gonna shoot a reel with Nissan tomorrow, so we have their brand new car at our disposal. So we're gonna create some banger content. Super excited for that, but a little hesitant because the kind of video I am planning to make on that is like something that I've never done, so I can mess it up like really bad. So I just got home, it's about 7:30. I'm gonna start editing this video and then most probably do my dinner and sleep, because I have another long shoot day tomorrow. So I gotta offload all of this camera footage onto my PC so that I can actually edit it. And for that, I'm gonna use this magnetic cable from MagTame, which has like a charging power of 240 watts and a data transmission of 20 Gbps. For resolution, it can go up to 4K 144Hz or 8K 60Hz, which is absolutely insane. Also, this doesn't get coiled up and all tangled up inside your bags. So this is like a very must necessity for me, which I carry every day. So this is pretty much what I use for my MacBook Air in order to plug it into like several docks or just the monitor to connect it like to an external display. This has been an absolute lifesaver. I also have the Lightning version, which I generally use to charge my phone when I'm on road, since I'm still using an older iPhone and I don't have Type-C yet. So without any further delay, let's start editing that video. I'm gonna put this camera on a tripod, give you a little time lapse while I edit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then drop a like and let me know in the comment section down below what would you like to see next on the channel. Till then, take care and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace!